Welcome to my June and July of 2023 Lionel train layout update. One of the first things you might notice is the addition of cork roadbed to almost all of the mainline tracks. I recently did this, and I think the addition of cork roadbed helps eliminate unwanted sounds and smooth track. This helps trains run smoother and nicer for, well, longer periods of time. Right here, I did some rearranging of the bridges. I actually turned the drawbridge around so it opens in the opposite direction. This helped close a gap between the drawbridge and the other bridge, pushing the two main lines closer together. This helps eliminate a very weird-shaped curve that used to be a cause of many derailments on the inner loop. This also made me be able to put this two-track signal bridge under. This bridge does not work yet, but I'm looking forward to getting it working sometime soon. As you can probably tell, nothing has changed to this side of the town. In some ways, it's actually gotten a little bit worse. This is probably because I've been laying pieces and parts from all the renovations I've been making around this part of the layout, and I still don't really know what to do with it anyways, so give me some ideas. Well, we are back at this half of the layout, and unsurprisingly, nothing has changed. Still not sure what to do here, looking for suggestions and maybe some ideas, so please let me know. Some recent additions since the last layout update is this Lionel 224E and tender. I have a more in-depth video about this engine if you want to go learn more. I also got this Penn Central boxcar, mostly because I like the way it looks. I also got this 671 Lionel turbine. This engine was made in 1946, and it does not work at all. I bought it for a really good price, and the buyer said it hadn't run in around 15-ish years. So, I'm looking forward to restoring this in a future video. On my other HO scale layout, I got these two GP30s. Both of these are painted in redding colors, and I think they look real nice and fit in very nicely with this layout. I also added this siding next to this factory. This helps me make the layout a little more interesting and add another industry to this layout. Here's me pushing some cars around and operating this industry semi-realistically. And now, back to our Lionel layout. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for next month's layout update. Hope to see you then.